Beneath the oceans, a new world awakens. Architecture now defies both land and sea.
Travel is seamless, silent, effortless.
Life below the surface feels calm, protected. Energy flows endlessly, clean and alive. Humanity no longer watches nature, it lives within it. Even the ocean glows with life.
A civilization hidden from the surface world.
Silence here feels powerful, eternal. This is the future, beneath the waves.
Luxury in the future feels calm, not loud.
Every space is designed for peace. Travel becomes an experience of elegance.
Nature rises alongside architecture.
Even rest becomes extraordinary.
The city flows without noise. Design replaces excess.
Above it all, the world feels quiet.
Luxury shines brightest in silence. This is the lifestyle of tomorrow. Some structures are built to touch the sky. The skyline becomes a symbol of progress.
Perspective defines the future.
Art evolves with civilization.
Connection shapes everything.
Order brings harmony.
Even motion rests in elegance.
The city breathes with light. Every detail is part of a greater design.
This is how the future is remembered.
At night, the city glows like liquid gold and blue.
Even in darkness, life thrives in elegance. Luxury floats silently above the ocean.
Connections shimmer under the night sky.
From here, the city feels infinite.
Even below the waves, elegance reigns.
Motion and stillness coexist in harmony.
The towers pierce the night with light.
Even the streets breathe with serenity.
The city rests, yet it never sleeps.
Each morning begins with elegance in motion.
Spaces are designed for serenity, not clutter.
Nature blends seamlessly with luxury.
Travel becomes a statement of refinement.
Every detail is curated for elegance.
Here, the world feels at peace.
Luxury embraces both comfort and spectacle. Every height reveals a new level of elegance. Even in twilight, luxury shines. A new day begins in unmatched elegance. Where the ocean meets innovation, the future begins. Every detail harmonizes with the sea. Even beneath the waves, humanity thrives in luxury. Every connection flows with elegance. Spaces are built for serenity and wonder. Even retreat becomes a masterpiece of design. Water and architecture exist as one.
The ocean mirrors every vision of progress.
From above, the city and sea are one symphony. This is the ultimate harmony of luxury, technology, and nature. Behold the city where the future and ocean meet. Structures rise in harmony with light and water. Every path leads to wonder and elegance. A civilization built on balance, beauty, and serenity. This is the vision of tomorrow, where luxury, technology, and nature unite. In the year 2600, cities rise in harmony with the ocean. Technology and nature now exist as one living system. Homes no longer touch the ground. They float with purpose. Movement is silent, clean, and endlessly efficient. At the heart of the city, energy flows like life itself.
Life here moves slowly, intentionally.
Even the ocean reflects the future. As the sun sets, the city begins to glow. A civilization built on balance, not chaos. This is not imagination. This is the future.